On number 8, it's kind of a more complicated inequality, but let's just take it one step at a time. So I do want to distribute these numbers. So 4x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 6 plus x. And before I do anything across the equal sign, I do want to combine my like terms on one side. And let's move all the x's to one side, and you can kind of see what's going to happen here. My x's will go away. So I have negative 4 is greater than or equal to negative 6. Now I need to, this is kind of similar to those special cases in the solving equations part. If you're left with two variables, it's either going to, if the variables go away and you're left with two numbers, it's either going to be a true statement or a false statement. So negative 4 is greater than negative 6. So this is a true statement, which means that it's going to be all solutions. So the way we graph all solutions on the number line is we actually shade the entire number line. And in interval notation, that would be negative infinity to infinity. That is all solutions. If this had been a false statement, then you actually wouldn't shade anything, and you would just put either the no solution symbol, or you would just say no solution. But this one is true for all numbers, so it's all solutions, and we shade the entire number line.